Alrighty, so I've got a PS5 Pro and just make a really quick unboxing video, and later this week or next week I'm going to do I wouldn't say a review, but I'll just show you the console in action. So compare it then via the PS5. So these are the new specs. As you can see here, it has a like 45% faster GPU. And if I ever get that out here, that's the box itself. And then finally we get to the inside of the box. Okay, number one, we have a power cord, of course. And then, what is that? We have two of these things here. I guess that's maybe a kind of a stand or maybe for the controller. We will see. Let's just turn that around. And then what you can see, we have a charging cable, USB-C for the controller. Then it comes also with a HDMI connector. Then of course it comes with the PS5 controller. And let me just check real quick. So that is my standard PS5 controller. And to be honest, I'm 100% sure it's the same controller. I do not see any difference. And now let's just open that up and get the PS5 out itself. Then the only other thing in the box here would be the PS5, I guess, manual and a safety guide. Let's get this one here out of the way. And then we are having the console itself, which actually looks like this. So it is smaller than my PS5. We still have like two USB-A here, LAN connector, HDMI here at the back. And the only thing which changed at the front, as far as I can see, now we have two USB-C connectors. So technically that's all you have in the box. So you have your controller, HDMI cable, your power cord, USB-C cable, and these two things, which I have no clue what they are for, but let's just see if we find it here. Yep. Bottom view insert, blah, blah, blah. So that would be, okay, so I just seen it here. So that would be if you want to place it instead of vertical, if you want to place it horizontal, you have two holes here, as far as I see, and then they would show like inwards, like, I guess like so. If you pop them in here, and then if you would turn the console around, yeah, makes perfect sense. So you see it's not wobbling. So again, you get the power cord, you get a USB-C, you get a HDMI cable, and you get the controller. That's basically all what's in the PS5 Pro box. And next days I'll test it against the PS5.